your multi-million-dollar yacht, a symbol of ultimate freedom and luxury, or your meticulously curated real estate portfolio, representing years of strategic investment and discerning taste. These are your most valuable assets, powerful statements of success and ambition. Yet, despite their immense value and sophisticated design, they possess a fundamental limitation. They are not inherently intelligent. They can't anticipate problems before they arise. They can't autonomously optimize their own performance. And they certainly can't adapt proactively to a world that is changing at an unprecedented pace. In the rapidly evolving landscape of 2025, owning a dumb asset, one that lacks integrated intelligence, is no longer just a missed opportunity. It represents one of the biggest unmanaged risks for high net worth individuals who rely on these assets for both pleasure and portfolio stability. Consider the pervasive inefficiencies that plague traditional asset management. Imagine the yacht captain, a seasoned professional, still relying on outdated weather models and manual navigation charts. This reliance can lead to suboptimal routes, burning thousands, even tens of thousands, in excess fuel on a single journey, simply due to a lack of real-time, predictive insights. Or picture the astute real estate investor, meticulously analyzing stacks of spreadsheets and market reports, only to miss a prime off-market opportunity. Why? Because while they were manually crunching numbers, an advanced AI algorithm could have scanned the entire global market, identified the perfect property, and flagged it in mere seconds. These aren't just minor inconveniences or small operational hiccups. They represent multi-million-dollar opportunity costs, directly impacting your bottom line and strategic advantage. Consider the risk of a catastrophic engine failure at sea, a nightmare scenario that traditional maintenance might only detect too late. Yet, with predictive maintenance, such a failure could have been flagged weeks, even months, in advance, allowing for timely intervention and preventing immense financial and personal distress. Or think about the security breach on a private estate, a violation of privacy and safety that a truly intelligent, AI-powered system could have neutralized before it even escalated. The traditional way of managing high-value assets is inherently reactive, responding to problems only after they have occurred. And in this age of advanced artificial intelligence, being reactive is not just inefficient. It is a significant competitive disadvantage that can erode value and compromise security. But a profound transformation is underway. A new class of sentient assets is rapidly emerging, redefining what it means to own and manage luxury. These aren't just physical assets. They are augmented with a sophisticated layer of artificial intelligence, turning them into proactive, self-optimizing partners in your portfolio. This isn't merely science fiction or a distant dream. It's a tangible reality unfolding right now, offering unprecedented control and insight. Let's delve into how this revolution is manifesting across different sectors, starting with the captivating world of yachting. In the yachting world, AI is no longer just a theoretical concept. It's an operational imperative. Leading shipyards like AB Yachts are already at the forefront, implementing advanced onboard AI systems. These systems function as a local digital brain, autonomously managing everything from precise fuel consumption to optimal climate control throughout the vessel. Crucially, these sophisticated systems operate without needing a constant internet connection, ensuring total privacy, unwavering reliability, and seamless operation even in the most remote waters. Beyond internal management, AI-powered computer vision is dramatically enhancing safety at sea. It can detect objects that traditional radar systems might easily miss, from small debris to unexpected marine life. This proactive detection capability significantly reduces the risk of collisions and ensures a safer passage for everyone on board. Furthermore, predictive maintenance algorithms are continuously analyzing engine data in real time, monitoring every subtle vibration and performance metric. This constant vigilance allows them to forecast potential failures long before they become critical, potentially saving millions in emergency repairs, costly downtime, and ensuring your voyages remain uninterrupted. The integration of AI also extends to personalizing the onboard experience, learning guest preferences for lighting, temperature, and entertainment, and adjusting them automatically. This creates an unparalleled level of comfort and bespoke luxury, elevating every moment spent at sea. Now, let's shift our focus to the dynamic world of luxury real estate, where H&W investors are moving far beyond simple market data analysis. They are leveraging AI to analyze complex market trends, gauge social sentiment across various platforms, and even scrutinize satellite imagery. This multifaceted approach allows them to identify undervalued properties and pinpoint emerging neighborhoods long before they become common knowledge or enter mainstream awareness. AI algorithms can now provide hyper-accurate property valuations in mere seconds, factoring in countless variables that human analysis simply cannot process with the same speed or precision. Furthermore, AI can manage entire rental portfolios with unprecedented efficiency, automating everything from rigorous tenant screening to seamless rent collection. These AI-driven tools offer real-time pricing insights, empowering agents and investors to provide data-backed valuations and strategic advice that is always current and highly informed. AI also significantly enhances personalization, tailoring property recommendations to individual buyers based on their unique preferences, behaviors, and even their digital footprint. Smart home integration is another key application, with AI-powered personal assistants seamlessly adjusting lighting, temperature, and security settings to owner preferences, creating truly intelligent living spaces. The common thread weaving through these advancements is the fundamental shift from manual oversight to intelligent, autonomous automation. The true value isn't just in the cutting-edge technology itself. It's in the profound strategic advantage it creates for asset owners. It's about making demonstrably better investment decisions, backed by unparalleled data and predictive analytics. It's about proactively mitigating risks you didn't even know existed, transforming potential threats into managed variables. And it's about optimizing the performance and longevity of your most valuable assets, ensuring they operate at peak efficiency and retain their value for years to come. The question is no longer if AI will be integrated into luxury asset management, but rather, who will possess the strategic vision and foresight to implement it correctly and effectively. This isn't a trend. It's the new standard for sophisticated asset ownership. Implementing this level of sophisticated AI strategy requires far more than simply purchasing off-the-shelf software. It demands a clear, overarching vision, a precise, actionable roadmap tailored to your unique assets, and a deep understanding of both the luxury market and the intricate landscape of artificial intelligence. This is where I-Vi, and Blackframe come in. At Blackframe, I serve as an AI expert strategist, exclusively for owners of high-value assets. We don't simply sell software. Our mission is to develop bespoke AI strategies, meticulously identify the highest ROI opportunities specific to your portfolio, and oversee the entire implementation process from conception to successful execution. If you're ready to explore how a dedicated, tailored AI strategy can fundamentally transform the value, security, and performance of your assets, I invite you to take the next crucial step. Book a private, one-on-one AI opportunity audit with me. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a paid, strategic session designed to provide immediate, actionable value. During this confidential session, we will meticulously analyze your specific assets, delve into your unique challenges and objectives, and deliver a confidential roadmap. This roadmap will outline the top 3 AI initiatives that are guaranteed to deliver the most significant impact for you within the next 12 months. The future of luxury ownership is not just about acquisition, it's about intelligence. It's about making your assets truly sentient. Let's build this intelligent future together. Click the link below to apply for your exclusive AI opportunity audit and unlock the full potential of your high-value assets.